Well, I am meant to be doing a sort of make something yourself or do it yourself, something entertaining. And as you can see, I've got the box inspector, known as a Yoshi, and he seems quite pleased about the box. In fact, I could hardly get the groceries out of the box, and he was already in once there was space. So yeah, weren't you, Yoshi? You're the box inspector. You're a funny little boy, aren't you? Funny little boy. Oh, such a good baby. Yes, you are. You're a lovely little baby. I'm not playing that game. I know that game. Yes, I do. I know the game with the claws. And it's quite painful. And I've not clipped your nails for a while. So, yeah. Yes. Now, the box just about fits a crazy kitten. Well, he's about a year old now, but I still consider him a kitten. Because he's still quite young. Aren't you? At the moment, thinking about making like one of them scratch boxes. Since I get so much cardboard by buying quite a few things. And I thought, I need to do something with these. Obviously, the cats have got boxes that they lie in. I mean, I've still got that one over there, and that's from, when's that from? God, ages ago. It's not actually from Amazon, but still, the box has been there for months, and it's only had the sides slightly chewed. So, it's lasted quite a while, and the box, whoops, sugar, get this right. The box that I've got in the, hello Kublai, that I made with the, hey you, beating him up, silly boy. Yeah, well, that's still intact as well, because these boxes are quite tough. Because, yeah, Amazon pantry, so they make them quite strong. I'm going to be popping these after with a pair of scissors, because obviously they're too loud for the cats. Sometimes, I wonder why they give you so much. But yes, I'm thinking of making something that cats can all use. And since I've got my trusty PVA glue, if it works with that, which I think it might. Do you mind? I need that hand. Yes, I need that hand. So I've just got to come up with an idea of actually designing the outer part before I start filling in the middle part for them to all use. Okay? I'm sure I'll think of something. I do enjoy a little bit of a challenge, so keeps me busy and keeps the kitties happy too. So hopefully I will have some sort of design going on, and I will definitely let you know what I'm going to do next. Yes, I'm going to start on Slim Fast because I'm sick of having a jelly belly. Yeah. And then that's because we can't get hold of chocolate. But it's more of an afters that anyway. But Slim Fast in the afternoon. And why the hell do I keep seeing orbs on this? Never mind. So, I don't think I'll use this box because it's quite tough. But you never know. It would actually make a good bottom. Or like a base. Cut it to size. And I do have craft knives as well. So it would make us something quite awesome. So yeah, when I get to the actual cutting part, I will let you know how it all goes on. Well, done it. It's not the straightest, but it's roundabout. So it's the right depth that we need for it. Oh my word. Took longer than I thought it would actually. Never realised. So what I'm going to try and do is put bits of cardboard and line them all up, all inside, so then the cats will have something to scratch on. So now it's called thinking. I know, it's painful. I have to do this every now and again. So I may use the glue gun or the PVA glue, I'm not too sure, because obviously I want this to stay flat. Yeah, because this cardboard is quite strong and it's what I need. So basically I just want to cut a load of pieces and try and stick them all together. The joys. So more measuring. I might make it slightly smaller than what we've got. Not too much smaller. So, yep, shall we try to do that next? Whew. Right, well the cats are getting fed, so I'm just going to show you an update that I've done so far on this box. And hopefully I'll get a bit more done tomorrow, because I can only do this when the cats are not in the room or when they're asleep, because believe me, it's keeping me busy. So basically I showed before the bottom of the large box, and I'd cut it all. So now all I'm doing is I'm measuring each piece. It's my way of recycling, if you know what I mean, as well as it being something pretty good for the cats, because I've actually saved lots and lots of boxes, even some from last year. And I thought, well, it's a decent way to recycle, and you know, it's something for the cats as well. So yeah, basically they're all going to be like this. I am going to use some PVA glue to hold it all in place, in place, and I'm just going to keep cutting it all into size. Basically I'm doing it, must be about 35 centimeters across, and the actual width of these, so I've been measuring them all at 10 centimeters, and just keep cutting them and packing the sides as well. And eventually when I get to near the end, I will start sticking them. And then if there's any space left over, then obviously I'm going to pack it out. And yeah, once I'm near to the end, I will give you an update. Right, the thing that I was making for the cats, probably just need a few touch-ups, but basically it's finished. So I'm going to probably stick that down a little bit, but basically I'm going to trim the sides down a little bit, and then tomorrow, once it's dried, I'll be able to give it to the cats. So yeah, and who says I can't recycle? But I'm just glad it's finally done. Anyway, this is what I've made so far. It might be a little bit uneven, you know, in the actual sides, but this is all solid now. It's all been glued down. This has been boxes that I've cut up, and I've put them basically to the same width and height. And yeah, it seems Tyrion and Yoshi are taking interest in it already. And this has all been glued with PVA glue. And whoops, see, that's when I started off. That's the sides. Put it all together. And yeah, I've got some spare catnip, and afterwards I'm going to put some catnip on it, you know, for a little bit of kitty power, if you want to say it that way. But there you go. And afterwards, I will see what they think of it. Okay, so it's on the floor. A bit of catnip. Just going to break this open. They probably won't need it. Oops, hello, Shiro. But this is more of an indication to say, yeah, you can play on this. Oh, sugar. So only bits of plastic. Trying to open this stuff. Right. Let's try and get this open. Yes, managed to do it. The reason I'm doing it in here is because the floor needs hoovering anyway. So why not? There we go. Entertainment, and they can scratch this to their heart's desire. I'm just hoping it'll last a while, but it seems Cersei's loving it. Here comes Cersei's, obviously the black cat that's on there at the moment, with the silver shiny collar. That's her sister there, Athena, with the pink collar. And we've got Natsu beside her. And yeah, just looks like Cersei's taken over the box. She's lying on it because obviously she could smell the catnip. But to me, it's a success. Do you think, Shira? Do you agree? So anyway, oh God, it's funny. Really, really funny. So if you like this video, please like it and subscribe. And like I said, if there's anything you can't think to put in the comments section, just put a cat emoji or a love heart, you know, just to let me know that, you know, you've enjoyed it. And yeah, shall see you in the next video. Bye.